Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile. First, download the free Roblox app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. The home screen is your starting point, where you can explore various games and features. Finding your next adventure is simple. Utilize the search bar at the top to look for specific games or explore different genres. You can also browse through recommended games and popular experiences curated just for you. When a game catches your eye, simply tap its icon to see more details, then hit the play button to jump right in. Mastering the controls on mobile is intuitive. You'll typically find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen for moving your character around. To adjust your view, simply tap and drag your finger across the right side of the screen to control the camera. On-screen buttons will appear for interacting with objects or performing specific actions. Roblox offers many ways to express yourself and connect with others. Head to the avatar editor to personalize your character with countless clothing items and accessories. You can easily add friends to play together and chat within games. Joining groups is also a fantastic way to connect with players who share similar interests and discover new experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.